Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full face but with a focus on the convenience of powder foundations. They are hot, hot, hot. You're gonna see me put this face together. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So let's go ahead and start with a mattifying primer. This is the one from e.l.f. Next, we are going to put some concealer under our eyes and set it because we're going over it with powder. So you want to do your concealer before your powder foundation. Going in with my Juvia's Place concealer that I've been enjoying. Let's set that with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Now we are ready to jump in with the powder foundation from JCat Aquasurance Compact Foundation. I have had this. This is my third container. I've tried different shades. This is the shade Buff. And if you're not familiar with powder foundation, they come with their own applicator, which is recommended. You don't have to set with powder. It's an easy touch-up. There can be lots of benefits to this powder foundation. So let's go ahead and throw some on. And you will see I'm going in very lightly. The amount of coverage that it provides. If you wanted a light coverage, you could just sweep this over your face and go. Now, if you are a dry skin complexion, I would recommend doing a hydrating primer. But because I tend to get oily, I use a mattifying primer. So I'll just go over the places that I feel I need a little more coverage. And you see how that smooths out any discolorations? There's a problem area over here. Make sure my nose is covered. Some people will set their liquid foundation with the powder foundation just to add a little bit more coverage, but let me zoom you in so you can get a little bit of a closer look at my face. So you can see pretty full coverage going on there. Okay, so let's continue with the rest of the face and then we'll see it completed. I am going to use my Essence Sun Club matte bronzing powder for the cheeks and the eyes today. I'm gonna go in, sometimes I just mix all the shades. I think they're all super workable for my skin tone. So this could be a quick look during the warmer weather. Just want to be out the door. So I've thrown that on the cheeks. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and throw that right into, I'm going to go into this shade first and throw it right in the crease, and then we'll decide if we want anything more. I didn't even prime my eyes because this is just going to be a quick and easy throw together look. This is just going to add some definition, look like you tried when you really didn't. If you want to be fancy and throw a little bit of a darker shade on the outer corner, you can do that. Take this darker shade, deepen that outer corner just a little bit. So remember, as the shades get darker, the brushes get smaller, usually. Let's go ahead, and now I'm going underneath the lash line, so I'm going even into a smaller brush, and I'm going to go right in the middle. I think I'm going to go right here. It's not the darkest shade, but it's not the lightest. And just dust that underneath the eyes. Easy. If you want to brighten that lid, you can go in with your highlight. This one is from Milani. And I'm going to go in with this champagne color because it's nice and bright. I mean, that is nice. Maybe I'll throw a little gold on there as well. Yeah, that warmed it up a little. If you think you went into the crease with that, you can always go back in with your crease brush and throw it back in just to merge. Easy, easy eye look. Next we'll go into a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna go right back into that champagne shade in the Milani palette. I always forget how pigmented this is. It is bright. If you went too far, you can take the pad and just tone it down a little bit. We have the e.l.f. Putty blush. This is in the shade Bali. Let's do our brows, lips. We're almost done. A little bit of liner and mascara, which is the Juvia's Place liner that I am loving. Lining your waterline will give you the illusion of thicker, longer lashes. Find the right formula of a nice creamy liner that doesn't run all over your face and goes on easy. And it just makes life easier. I go a little bit above right here. You don't have to go all the way across. Maybe a little bit on the bottom there. Just on that outer corner. Quick and easy. Let's throw on a little big Poppa mascara from Wet n Wild. Obsessed, can't stop using it. My artificial lashes have taken a little break since I started playing with this one, because I tell you, I put it on and I don't feel the need. If you're being sloppy like me, you might get it on your eyelid. Just let it dry, and then you can take your spoolie and just wipe it right off. Easy peasy. The mistake people make is trying to wipe it off immediately. Gotta let it dry. Length, volume. I've had too much coffee today. I'm a little spastic. So we will let those couple flakes on the eyelids dry while we throw on a little lipstick. This one is from Colourpop. It's just a nice nude. Okay, and this was a new lipstick that I just picked up from Nabla, and it is a really nice lipstick. It's got a little bit of a mint undertone to it, long lasting power. It does transfer, but I would imagine if you blot it, it'll stay on a little bit longer, but so comfortable on the lips. Let's go ahead and set those eyebrows with a little bit of my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Now let's fix those little boo-boos of mascara that I got on my eye. They should just wipe right off. Yep, I waited for them to dry and they came right off. So this is the finished face. We have easy powder foundation. You're skipping a step, you're just throwing it on, you're getting nice coverage. I'm not looking shiny because I put on the e.l.f. primer underneath. So JCat I do recommend. I know that the new L'Oreal foundation, powder foundation is really hot, and Fenty, Patrick Starr just came out with the powder foundation. So please comment below if you've tried any of those, if you recommend them, what your experience has been with them. But I have this one. I do have another one from Makeup Forever. I have another one from Bare Minerals, but this, great price. This is the most affordable one that I own, but I am open to trying whatever you guys are saying is great. I have purchased this buy one get one half price on Ulta. The website has sales for JCat, but this is just easy with the summer months coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed already, consider subscribing. Leave a comment letting me know that you were here, what you'd like to see in the future. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me, and have a wonderful day.